The unseen burden of modern golf. The convergence of specialized equipment and user oversight creates a hidden friction point in the golfer's experience. The modern golfer is increasingly reliant on a suite of technologically advanced gear, from spiked performance footwear like the DoWin PB Pro to motorized aids such as the Alpharad CyberCart.
This analysis posits that the industry's focus on hyper-specialization and feature proliferation, while driving engagement and content creation, inadvertently elevates the cognitive and operational load on the player. The scenario described, where a player navigates a hilly western Pennsylvania course with an uncharged electric cart, epitomizes a critical disconnect. Equipment designed to enhance performance can become a source of anxiety and potential failure when user preparedness is assumed rather than engineered for.
From enhancement to liability, advanced gear shifts the failure mode from athletic skill to logistical and technical management. Historically, golf's challenges were predominantly athletic and strategic.
The current market, saturated with content around golf equipment vlogs and spiked user reviews, reflects a shift where the equipment itself becomes a primary narrative. The status quo is defined by products that offer marginal performance gains, be it traction from specialized spikes or convenience from electric propulsion, but introduce new dependencies.
The underlying driver is a commercial ecosystem that monetizes both the product and the user's journey with it, from first impressions to troubleshooting rookie mistakes. This creates a paradigm where the golfer must be as proficient in gear management as in swing mechanics.
The cognitive load of optimized play. Each technological solution imposes its own set of maintenance rituals and failure states that compete for the player's focus. The DoWin PB Pro represents the pinnacle of focused design, engineered for stability and power transfer, demanding the user's attention to fit and break in.
Conversely, the Alpharad CyberCart offloads physical labor but introduces a battery management imperative. This deep dive reveals that these are not isolated products, but nodes in a system of player support.
The anxiety experienced on the back nine is not about golf but about energy capacity, a fundamental variable now under the player's control. The relationship is clear: for every unit of physical effort saved by automation, a unit of mental bandwidth is consumed by systems provision, planning and contingency management, fundamentally altering the game's psychological landscape.
Strategic verdict: the preparedness premium. Future market winners will integrate user state management directly into product ecosystems to mitigate operational risk. The final assessment indicates that the next competitive frontier is not in raw performance metrics but in reducing the user's cognitive burden.
The rookie mistake is a predictable and costly point of failure in an otherwise optimized system. Strategic next steps for manufacturers and content creators alike involve developing integrated solutions, smart battery indicators that sync with T-Time apps, footwear with embedded wear sensors, or subscription-based gear maintenance alerts.
The opportunity lies in selling not just equipment but assured readiness, transforming a source of anxiety into a pillar of brand loyalty. The risk for incumbents is in remaining mere hardware vendors in a market that increasingly demands holistic experience platforms.